If political activities like legislative advocacy and securing community support get you pumped, you'll definitely relish this month's edition of School Administrator Magazine. Against a backdrop of national elections, School Administrator unpacks the essential political roles that superintendents must play. Policy, negotiation, giving testimony, they're all part of the superintendent's political arena. School leaders with a phobia of addressing elected officials will enjoy the lighthearted feature by longtime Federal Education Authority Jack Jennings. Also this month, do antidotes for drug overdoses belong in schools? Mind, body, and spirit. How one superintendent combines all three to stay on his A-game. What's the number one factor that jeopardizes many a superintendent's career? Hint, it's not leadership skills. All this and much more in the October issue of School Administrator Magazine, the flagship publication of AASA.